Hello art classers, welcome to lesson 16, and today we're going to look at how to make a salt dough sculpture. So to make the DIY modelling clay we'll need 2 cups of plain flour, we'll need 1 cup of salt, and we'll need 1 cup of water. Now you want to mix all the dry ingredients together and then slowly introduce the water while you keep mixing. You can use a spoon for this, but I prefer to use my hands. Remove the salt dough from the bowl and knead and work it until it feels, malleable and soft and squishy. It's going to roughly take about 10 minutes. And then I would wrap it in some cling film and put it in the fridge for about 20 minutes. So now the salt dough is ready to use, and I would use little bits of flour just to keep it from sticking everywhere. It'll help you mould it. We're going to try making a very simple leaf just by taking a little piece of the salt dough and then scoring in with a knife to create the stem and ridge markings. You can use lots of things to create your art with. You can score with a fork, you can use a knife to cut shapes, you can mould. It's really up to you about how you want to use the material to make whatever you'd like. So I'm going to try something a little more advanced. I'm going to use a coat hanger wire and wrap it in tin foil, and then using little bits of the salt dough to layer the tin foil. I'm going to start building up a face. In my head right now I'm thinking of like an old man or an old woman, so I'm starting to add on eyebrows and a nose and build out the cheeks and the chin. Now this little tool I'm using is great because it's got a round ball end on it as well, but you could use something like a Sharpie lid to get the same effect. After you've completed your sculpture, I would leave it air dry, set it in the sun if you can, for at least a day. And then afterwards you can paint it when it's dried. Any stuff that's unused, wet paper towel, in a baggie, keep in the fridge. So there you go, a very easy way to create your sculptures at home. Please give it a try and happy creating!